Today is my congregation, so we're here at Royal Festival Hall. I'm with my older brother, who was a MIM in 2013, so very much a family affair. And I have with me my mom, my grandma, and my dad.
I'm so excited to be back. It's so exciting to see Sarah graduating and being an MFA and being back on campus and at the Royal Festival Hall. Thank you for all the advice for playing.
Perfect.
The one that's staple here.
Okay.
This is a momentous moment for me because it's such a momentous moment for her.
Now I'm about to get my gown and my cap. This is so incredible. We have a beautiful view of London and the Thames, and we are about to go to the congregation ceremony.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the London Business School congregation ceremony.
Sarah Gans.
As you start your journey as LBS alumni, as your dean and on behalf of my colleagues, let me wish you a life of engagement within the LBS family, plenty of success in your career, and a lot of grateful happiness. Welcome to the LBS family.
We just came from congregation at the Royal Festival Hall. It was fantastic. Our family are in the car behind us. We're about to go meet them at the garden party. We are at the summer garden party. It's the last event of congregation. We're so happy to be here with our dad and our grandma, and our mom's over there. She's talking to some of my friends' parents. We're all very excited to be here, and it's a beautiful day, which is amazing. It's quite the opportunity and quite the kind of British ambiance that you look for when you're graduating from a UK university. And I'm just very grateful that I got to be here at the time that I was.